Good evening, I'm Liyana Hassanel. Welcome to Bizworld. The government is confident that Kumpulan Wang Persaraan Diperbadankan, or KWAP, could achieve gross fund size of 200 billion ringgit by 2025. Finance Minister Datuk Seri Tengku Zafrul Abdul Aziz said under its 3-year Teras Lima program, KWAP also aims to increase the number of property assets to more than 30 from the current 17 and more than 35 subsidiaries.
Selain daripada menguruskan dana persaraan, KWAP turut dilantik oleh kerajaan sebagai ejen untuk melaksanakan perkhidmatan pembayaran persaraan yang disebut tadi sejak tahun 2015 dan telah mencapai skor tahap perkhidmatan sebanyak 98%.
KWAP has achieved a record fund size of about 159 billion ringgit as at end 2021. It's a threefold increase from 41.9 billion ringgit when it was established in 2007. Teras Lima is part of a long-term policy plan to support KWAP's sustainable growth to benefit pensioners. Meanwhile, KWAP will embark on a diversification strategy and aims to achieve 7% return by 2025 from the current 6%. Its Chief Executive Officer, Nik Amlizan Mohammed, said the fund would focus on private investments, namely private equity, infrastructure and real estate.
It's from the return perspective as well. What we see is that the return from the public markets have not been on the high trajectory from growth perspective compared to the private market. We are seeing double-digit growth. Return in the private market space.
Going forward, KWAP is looking at 80% public investment and 20% private investment from the current composition of 90 to 10. Currently, the fund has 17 companies under its umbrella, including 14 special purpose vehicles and 2 subsidiaries. Besides that, it also has investments in more than 40 countries. Malaysia's rubber glove export value is projected to reach 23.6 billion ringgit this year, driven by continuous demands even after the pandemic. The rubber sector also expects demand for gloves to grow by 12% annually.
I'm more optimistic kerana culture, budaya, hygiene tu dah terserap dalam manusia seluruh dunia. Jadi keperluan untuk menggunakan rubber glove sebagai satu lifestyle, cara hidup, menunjukkan bahawa kita ni adalah orang yang pembersih. Jadi ini juga akan meningkatkan juga market demand pasaran untuk rubber glove.
The industry has identified potential countries to ensure high demand for Malaysian rubber gloves. They include countries with large populations such as India, Pakistan and Bangladesh. Malaysia has achieved incredible rubber glove export earnings in 2020 and 2021, driven by the peak of the worldwide COVID-19 pandemic of 35 billion and 55 billion ringgit respectively. MIDF Research has maintained a neutral rating on the property sector on the expectation of further interest rate hikes, despite strong loan applications and approvals registered in June. The hike in the overnight policy rate would increase the house installments of property buyers marginally and reduce the affordability of property buyers. The research house estimates that the housing loan installment for a loan of 500,000 ringgit would increase by 3% for every 25 basis points increase in the OPR. However, the slight negative from an interest rate hike is expected to be partly cushioned by government incentives to support buying interest. On the international front, China has suspended the exports of natural sand to Taiwan and halted imports of fruit and fish products from the self-governed island. This as U.S. House of Representatives Speaker Nancy Pelosi visited Taiwan in a trip condemned by Beijing. In a warning salvo ahead of Pelosi's visit, Chinese customs had suspended imports from 35 Taiwanese exporters of biscuits and pastries since Monday. The import ban includes grapefruits, lemons, oranges, and frozen mackerel. In the first 6 months of the year, China's imports from Taiwan reached $122.5 billion, up 7.3% from a year earlier. Top imported goods included integrated circuits and electronic components. The Chinese military has also announced exercises, including live fire drills in 6 locations around Taiwan. That's all the time we have for Bizworld. I'm Liyana Hassanel. Thank you for watching and keep tuning in to TV3.